Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make a hot chocolate. All you need is chocolate mix and a boiled kettle, what I've already just done right there. Okay, first you need to take the lid off the hot chocolate. Put in 4 teaspoons. 1, 2, 3, 4 into your mug. Put it back on. Get your hot water, what you've just boiled. Pour it into the mug. Stir the mug and the hot chocolate and the water together until you can feel no more lumps and it's fully mixed together. And then once it's cooled down, you have a lovely hot chocolate to drink. Thank you.